Well, hello, my friends. Today, we're bringing you a blast from the past. This is, I believe, the fifth Icon FJ44 that we ever built. We delivered it back in February of 2012. Remains in very nice condition. As with every Icon, we don't just have someone email us pictures and start marketing it. We have the vehicle sent back to us so that we can comb through them, comprehensively service them, and make sure that they are good to go. Just under 21,000 miles on this truck. It's been kept in a climate-controlled car storage facility. No corrosion or damage to note. There's some chips in the finishes here and there, which I'll show you in detail in this video. But it's ready to rock. We just finished fairly comprehensive service on this truck. So we start with a full day inspection to identify what's up. On this truck, we put brand new tires on it. We flushed the coolant, transmission, transfer case, and front axles were flushed and refilled with new fluids. We updated the power steering cap because that old version we realized had a tendency to seep. We recharged the Fox shocks and the nitrogen is holding. There appears to be no leaks. We updated the body mounts and the transmission mount, again, just because we've come up with better solutions, so it makes sense to back up and apply those when we can. We fit a new serpentine belt on it. We did an oil and filter change, new wiper blades. We replaced some of the soft top 10X snaps, serviced the air filter, retorque of suspension and lube, new upper radiator hose, radiator cap, headlight switch, and added some weather strip that is like we do on current builds. Again, just applying what we have learned over the years. Concerning the specs, of course, it has the General Motors V8 with fuel injection. It has the GM 4L65E automatic. This is the older version, therefore it has the low car style shifter that emulates the aesthetic of a manual transmission shifter, so it is not a shift on the column. That and anything else you want to update, we're happy to do so. There's tons of opportunities, such as updating the audio system and the center console and other details, but frankly, none of it is needed. So happy to discuss that, but it's perfectly happy as it is. It has the heated seats option. It has the full Chilewich interior. It has 3 rows of seating for total capacity of 6. So that's the tuck and tumble and removable 3rd row bench, and then the heated captain's chairs for the other 4 forward facing seat positions. It has the aux LED lighting. It was specially ordered with no winch, although we simply placed the license plate assembly in the cavity that the winch would have sat within. So if you wanted to add a winch, again, absolutely no problem. It's Rocky Mountain Gray. It's got the black soft top. It's the insulated top. It started out as a 1964 FJ40. And geesh, Wilbur, I think that's about all I got for you. Certainly make sure to watch the ever so crappy original video that I did back in 2012. I'll put the link here at the end of this video. But really nice truck. Definitely probably the least expensive FJ44 that we've ever brought back to market. So check it out, reach out if you're interested, and thank you again, as always, for your support.